So now let's implement our this notification dialog box. So we can say return dialog child grid tile padding child size box widget, height for which will be 300, that is for our this dialog box, as we are implementing it inside this size box. Shared will be 200. Decoration, and inside the box decoration we can say decorated image, that is we will display our image. Which is profile image. Then after the box decoration, you can add padding, child center, child column widget, cross axis alignment dot start. Then using the text widget we will display the name first, then inside the double quotes, then add this dot text. You know, from Google you can get any text symbol you want, and then we will display the age is in integer form, so we have to make sure to convert to string. Then we will display some space. We will add an icon which will be for displaying the location. Then some space of width 2, and then using the expanded widget, inside it we have text widget and we display the city, comma, country. So in this row you can see that first we will have this location icon, then we will have city, country, as you can see. We will add a spacer widget, then using the center widget, here we will have an elevated button. The background color for this button, let's specify. First we will have the view profile button, and when the user tap on it, first we will disappear this dialog box, so we can say get.back, and then we will send the user to the user detail screen. Now to the user detail screen, you know that we have to pass the user ID. So you know that the user ID is the sender ID, from whom we receive the push notification. We want to see the profile details. When the user click on view profile, we will display that specific user profile information. Similarly, we will have another button, another elevated button just like this one, which will be for closing the dialog box. So center elevated button navigator.pop context. Okay, this is one way of closing the dialog box, or you can also use like this get.back instead of navigator.pop. So it will close the dialog box if the user click on close button. So this is all about our notification dialog box. Here we have two buttons. If you want, of course, you can add comments with it. Two buttons we have. Then we have icon, city location, which simply means city and country. You see that. And then of course name and age. So this is all about our notification dialog box. The next thing that we will implement is how we can recognize each user phone, so that we can send notification to that device, or you can say to that phone. For this we will use the FCM token. That is, each phone will have its own device token, using which we can recognize that phone and we can send a notification to it.